Now, let's move to alkali metals compounds. We're gonna study some famous compounds that contains alkali metals, their importance, their preparation, their reactions, etc. Like sodium hydroxide, we have here sodium carbonate. Okay, so starting with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, first of all, is a liquescent material that absorbs water vapor from the atmospheric air. Number two, it has a soapy feeling and corrosive effect. Soapy feeling, this is why it's used in the manufacture of soap, and also corrosive effect on the skin. Of course, that you know that it's an alkali, a type of base that reacts with acid, forms salt, and water. Okay, and it's dissolving in water is exothermic. Now, what about the uses of sodium hydroxide? It's used in many industries, like as we have said from a while, the industry of soap, silk, paper. In addition, it's used to purify petroleum acidic impurities. Acidic impurities because it's an alkali. It can react with acids, forming salt and water. So it can separate impurities, acidic impurities from petroleum oil. In addition, it's used to detect the basic radicals like copper ion and aluminum ion, like this. Look. Here we're gonna prepare a solution that contains copper positive 2 and other one that contains aluminum positive 3, like copper sulfate and aluminum sulfate. First of all, prepare a solution of copper sulfate. Add here the solution of sodium hydroxide. What happens? The reaction takes place, double substitution, to get sodium sulfate and copper hydroxide precipitate as a blue PPT. Now, by heating, this blue PPT changes into copper oxide, which is a black PPT. So, if that happened, that was copper positive 2. That was copper sulfate. While in case of aluminum chloride, here, by adding the aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide to the aqueous solution of aluminum chloride, the reaction takes place, double substitution, to get sodium chloride and aluminum hydroxide, which is a white gelatinous PPT. But here, with an excess amount of NaOH, we get sodium meta-aluminate and water. Sodium meta-aluminate dissolve in water, so the white gelatinous PPT disappears. So here, from the beginning, we have aluminum chloride, aluminum positive 3.